Today's lunchbox is black pepper beef rice. Slicing the beef. It's best to choose beef with some marbled fat. Put the beef in a microwave-safe dish. Add soy sauce. Add a lot of oyster sauce. And crushed black pepper. Because the taste of this dish basically comes from the oyster sauce and black pepper. Mix them completely. Add a small onion and crushed black pepper. Mix them and spread it out as evenly as possible. Add a bit of sugar. Microwave it for 3 minutes. Take it out, stir it, and microwave it for another 3 minutes. Then it's done.